Have you noticed that some people settle you the moment they walk in, and others leave you more wound up than before you saw them? That's not just personality or chemistry. Your nervous system is doing something specific, and it's one of the most powerful calming tools you have, though almost no one uses it on purpose. In the next few minutes, you'll learn what co-regulation is, why another calm body can settle yours faster than anything you do alone, and one simple way to use it on purpose. You'll try it once with me before the video ends. Co-regulation is the simple idea that nervous systems settle each other. You are not built to calm down entirely on your own. From the day you were born, your body learned to find steadiness by borrowing it from someone steadier nearby. A softer face, a slower voice, an unhurried presence. That wiring never goes away. As an adult, you still settle fastest in the company of another settled nervous system. That's co-regulation. It's less a technique and more a basic feature of how we're built. Remember the 3 states from last time: calm and connected, revved up and shut down. Here's the link. Your body is always reading the people around you for which state they're in, because someone else's state is one of the strongest safety signals you have. When a person near you is genuinely calm, resting in that connected state, their face softens, their voice slows, their breathing eases. Your body picks all of that up beneath thought and reads it as it's safe here. And it begins to move you toward the same state. It works the other way too. Around someone who's revved up or braced, your body catches that charge and tightens to match it. This is why you can't always talk yourself calm. But the right person can move you there in minutes. You're not being weak or dependent. You're using the system exactly the way it was designed. One note: if safe people have been scarce for you, co-regulation can feel unfamiliar or even unsafe at first. And that makes complete sense. Go slow. Start with the safest presence you can find, even an animal or a warm memory. And if trauma is in the picture, a good therapist is themselves a steady source of co-regulation. Let's try a gentle version you can do right now, even on your own. Bring to mind someone whose presence settles you: a friend, a grandparent, a teacher, a pet, someone your body trusts. Picture them here with you. See their face, unhurried and warm, turned toward you with nothing you need to fix or perform. Now notice what happens in your own body as you hold that image. Maybe your shoulders drop a little. Maybe your breath slows on its own. Maybe something in your chest eases. That softening is co-regulation, happening from a memory alone. Now let your own face soften the way theirs is soft, and let your breath lengthen to match the calm you're picturing. You're borrowing their steadiness, and your body is remembering it can find its way back to calm. That's co-regulation, the steadiness you catch from another settled nervous system, and one of the fastest ways home to calm there is. And it builds directly on the last episode, on the 3 states, because what you're really borrowing from another person is their connected state. So if you haven't seen the one on how to regulate your nervous system in the 3 states, watch that next. It makes today land deeper. And subscribe to keep moving through these in order. I'll see you in the next one.